Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and we're a lazy Sunday afternoon. I've just got back from Astle Country Show with the missus this morning, and I picked up our unusual spanner. This rascal thing here. Hadn't a clue what it was, I just like the shape of it. Turns out it's a spanner for a bacon and meat slicer, a vintage one. But I just like the look of it. You see it's all textured, and so I've got a couple of hours. I thought I'd give it a bit of a clean up, try to get some of the rust off it. I'm not doing like a pristine restoration on it. I'm just going to give it a tidy and clean up, get rid of the rust, and just make it look a bit nicer. It has been well worn though, and well used, because you can tell by how thin this is getting round, and how these aren't exactly hexagonal anymore. But I paid £1 for it, and I think it's going to be something nice just to sit in it. We'll also check what size all these are as well. They're going to be imperial, I know that. But yeah, that's the plan. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the parts washer out and give it a clean. Oh, that's not good, is it? Got to be parts washer. My parts washing is clean. It's gone all mouldy. Right, let me give that a clean, and then we'll get cleaning the thing we're actually supposed to be cleaning. Right. Right, this is now clean. Let's see if we can give this a bit of an initial clean. Right, that looking a lot better. Right, I think we're done with this. I think we need to get something to give it a bit of a closer clean. Maybe a slightly more aggressive and got all the dirt off it. Right, let's get rid of this and get the buffing wheels and the cleaning spindles out. Okay, so I've dug out my little rotary tool. I'm just going to give everything a bit of a deeper clean and give it a wipe off. I'm also going to be trying these. Just pick these up today, again from the show. I'm going to give these a go, see if they're any good. Right. Doesn't help that they're both the same hand. Right then. I'll put some music on in a minute because this is going to be noisy. Looking a little bit better. Hopefully the buffing wheel, we can get some wax on it, show up a little bit more. What I have noticed though, it's got a number on it, 61. Can you see that? Just there. Couldn't see before. Or 64. Not sure if that's the. It seems to be stamped in that. That could be the year it was manufactured, maybe. But yeah, it's had a life. This, I'll tell you that. It's all mushroomed up. I'm not going to touch any of this. I don't want to. It's just to get it tidy and cleaned up. And you can see, probably see closer on this now. This ring is getting very thin around the outside of it from the inside, probably from being used over many years. And it's worn away slowly from this thickness to that, or this just wasn't set in the middle properly when it was cast. But yeah, right. Next thing we're going to do is give it a buffing and see if we can look even better. But yeah, I'm looking quite happy with it at the moment. The buffing wheel on my drill press. Let's give it a final buffing, and we'll give it a wipe over with some oil. Looking much better. I swapped it over because that one was absolutely caked in whatever this the wax is. I think it was starting to ingrain a little bit. So the next thing to do is I need an old rag. This will do it. We're going to grab some WD-40. And give it a bit of a buff. God, that looks much better. Again, not got rid of all the old patina on it. The marks on it, they're still there. Right, I'm going to do a check. I'm going to go to the bench and see what size these all are. So I'm just interested. But see, that is looking so much better. Okay, so I've got an assortment of, I'm assuming it's going to be Imperial spanners out. Let's see what's going to fit. So, real quick. Quite an inch that. 7/8. That's really close. Right, so that's 7/8. That's that one. Right, so look at this one. That's 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 that. What's this one? A bit less. That one, 11/16. Let's see if I've got anything slightly smaller than 11/16. So, this one. Oh, there we go. It's 5/8. So you've got 5/8, 3/4. That's 7/8. Oh, that was 7/8 one. Oh, let's get this right. So we got. Let's get rid of that one completely. 11/16. 3/4 inch. No. Hold on. Yeah, that one's 7/8, 11/16, and was this one 5 1/4? 5/8, 5/8. So obviously that must have been for adjusting the machine. What it's for, what it's adjusting, I don't know. Whether it's to take it apart to service it, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a bit different. I'm quite happy with that. Finding that. A couple of hours cleaning it up, or say an hour or so cleaning it up, it'll stay exactly as it is there in that patina. Don't think it needs more than that. I just bought it because it was an interesting shape. I didn't know what it was for. So yeah, you learn something. So there you go. Yeah, picked it up because it was interesting to look at, and it was amongst a load of other old spanners. I was looking for some tools to restore, and this sort of fit the bill. Bit unusual. Didn't know what it was. So it turns out it's for a. I'm assuming it's to adjust or to service a bacon slicer or meat slicer. So who'd have known? Who'd have thought it? Will I use it? Probably not. It'll live in the spanner drawer with all my other Imperial stuff that I've not used very much since we got rid of our MGB GT a few years ago. But as a thing, it's lovely, isn't it? Anyway, and it's got a tale to tell because it's really worn. It's been used a lot. It might have been used in a garage. You never know because they are pretty standard. bolt sizes. Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Cheers.